New Weapons Channel, the merits of the firepower of the Russian infantry fighting vehicle, BMP-3 for short, have interested foreign armies of several countries. Along with the acquisition of the BMP-3 itself, the combat module installed on the Russian vehicle is used in the modernization of the latest foreign infantry armored vehicles. Analysts consider the Russian BMP-3 to be one of the most heavily armed vehicles. BMP-3 turret is the only combat module in the world, which includes as many as 4 types of weapons. This is a 100mm 2A70 cannon with high explosive fragmentation shells, anti-tank guided missiles, abbreviated as ATGM, fired through the barrel of the gun, 30mm 2A72 automatic gun and 7.62mm PKT machine gun. Thus, the Russian vehicle is capable of fighting all types of targets on the battlefield, from infantry and engineering structures to main battle tanks. The firepower of the BMP-3 combat module attracts the attention of foreign armored vehicles developers. The latest Wahash infantry fighting vehicle being developed for the United Arab Emirates Armed Forces has received this turret. The upgraded vehicle was first demonstrated at the IDEX 2021 International Defense Exhibition in Abu Dhabi. The Wahash BMP 8x8 is being developed by the International Calidus concern as a new standard combat vehicle of the UAE Army's mechanized units. The base model was equipped with the Ukrainian combat module BM-3M Sturm, which did not suit the Emirati military by a number of technical characteristics. And the BMP-3 combat module fully meets the requirements of the Emirati Army. The turret of the vehicle is the most common combat module in service with the Emirati Army. It is expected that it is the BMP-3 turret that will remain the main combat module of the Emirati Army. The channel New Weapons recalls that in its service today there are more than 650 BMP-3. Operation of combat vehicles has shown that they have a high level of reliability and combat effectiveness, also has the lowest accident rate. The combat vehicle breakdown ratio per 100 kilometers of march is 0.23, while that of the French Leclerc tank, it is the main battle tank of the UAE ground forces, is 3.5. By the way, the French tank takes the second place in the army by this indicator. All about the world's largest boat shark at the end of the video at the link. See you soon.